Tonight, I'm trying out castor oil before bed to see if it really can revolutionize my sleep. Let's see if I wake up refreshed or feeling like a zombie. I've been hearing a lot about castor oil lately and how it's this natural remedy that can improve the quality of your sleep. It's been trending online, and a lot of people are raving about its benefits. So I thought, why not give it a try? Hey, and welcome to It's All About Your Wellness. We've all been there, lying awake at night, staring at the ceiling, and wondering why we can't just fall asleep. Maybe you're one of those people who struggle with insomnia, or maybe you just can't seem to relax after a long day. Whatever the reason, poor sleep can have serious consequences on our health, from fatigue and mood swings to a weakened immune system. When we don't get enough sleep, it can affect our energy levels, our concentration, and even our relationships. It's like our bodies are running on low batteries, and we just can't seem to recharge. And let's be real, who doesn't love a good night's sleep? It's like the ultimate self-care ritual, right? There are so many sleep challenges out there, and it's frustrating when we can't find a solution that works for us. We've tried melatonin, chamomile tea, and even those fancy white noise machines, but sometimes nothing seems to work. That's why I'm so excited to try out castor oil. It might just be the answer we've all been looking for. Castor oil has been around for centuries, and it's been used for everything from skincare to digestion. But did you know that it's also a natural relaxant? It's got this amazing ability to calm the mind and body, making it the perfect remedy for a restful night's sleep. When you apply castor oil topically, it can stimulate the lymphatic system, which helps to reduce inflammation and promote relaxation. It's like a warm hug for your skin, and it can even help to reduce anxiety and stress. And the best part is, it's completely natural and non-toxic, so you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. Castor oil has also been shown to reduce muscle tension, which is a major contributor to insomnia. When our muscles are relaxed, our minds can relax too, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. It's like a sleep superhero, saving the day one night at a time. I've been reading up on castor oil, and I've come across so many personal testimonials from people who've used it to improve their sleep. One woman even said that she used to wake up every hour, but after using castor oil, she started sleeping through the night. That's some serious magic right there. Another study found that castor oil can even help to reduce symptoms of sleep apnea. It's working on multiple levels to ensure that we get the best sleep possible. And let's not forget about the anti-inflammatory properties. It's like a health superhero cape that we can wear to bed. One of the most compelling things I've come across is the story of a man who used castor oil to cure his insomnia. He had tried everything else, from prescription medication to therapy, but nothing worked. Then, he stumbled upon castor oil, and it completely transformed his sleep. He started sleeping through the night, and even reported feeling more energized during the day. So, after hearing all these amazing testimonials, I'm convinced castor oil can make a difference in our sleep. Whether you're struggling with insomnia, restlessness, or just plain old sleeplessness, it's definitely worth a try. Using castor oil for sleep enhancement is simple, and it can be applied in a few different ways to help promote relaxation and a restful night. Eyelid application. Apply a small amount of castor oil to your eyelids before bed. This is believed to encourage deeper, more restorative sleep by promoting relaxation around the eyes. Abdominal massage. Rub a small amount of castor oil on your abdomen before sleep. This method is thought to relieve stress and support digestive relaxation, which can make it easier to fall asleep. Castor oil pack. Create a castor oil pack by soaking a cloth in castor oil and placing it on your abdomen or lower back. Cover it with a clean towel and apply gentle heat, like a heating pad, for 20 to 30 minutes. This method can calm the nervous system and potentially aid sleep quality. Try each method to see which one works best for you. Incorporating castor oil into your nighttime routine can be a total game changer. Just imagine drifting off to sleep feeling relaxed and calm, knowing that you're going to wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. It's like the ultimate sleep hack. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've tried castor oil before, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. And if you're new here, consider subscribing to more health and wellness videos.